blog topics consistently drive new patient appointments. Healthcare blogs are a great way to connect with your patients, especially when they address common questions and concerns. For example, topics like when should I visit a doctor for chest pain or how to prepare for a surgery helps patient find answers to pressing issues. Such blogs build trust and often encourages readers to book an appointment for further guidance. Patients also love practical advice they can use in their daily lives. Writing how-to guides like how to manage diabetes effectively or steps to recover quickly from a surgery not only provides them with actionable steps but also positions your practice as a reliable source of information. This often motivates them to consult you for more personalized care. It's always a good idea to highlight the services and expertise your clinic or hospital offers. Blogs such as Why Choose Our Hospital for Maternity Care or the benefits of robotic surgery educate patients while subtly promoting your practice. It's an effective way to showcase what makes your services stand out. Sharing patient success stories can be incredibly impactful. When you write about real life experiences, like how a cardiology team saved a life, it builds trust and inspires potential patients to choose your practice. These stories show that you genuinely care about your patient and deliver excellent results. Health tips and preventive care blogs are always appreciated by the readers. Topics like healthy eating for heart health or top tips to prevent seasonal flu not only engages readers but also encourages them to prioritize their health with your support. Such posts position you as a partner in their wellness journey. Patients are often curious about the latest medical advancements, writing about trends like the future of telemedicine or new cancer treatments also shows that your practice is forward thinking and up to date with the current innovations. This can attract patients who are looking for cutting edge technology and cutting edge care. Local and community focused content is another great way to connect with potential patients, highlighting how your clinic addresses local health concerns or participates in community events creates a sense of belonging and trust among the readers in your area. Promotional blogs can also drive appointments effectively. Writing about seasonal campaigns, special packages, or discounts on health checkups make healthcare more accessible and encourages the readers to take action by booking an appointment. Educational content is highly valuable too, explaining complex topics in simple terms, such as understanding atrial flutter or what causes back pain, helps patients feel informed and confident in seeking care from your practice. This approach builds credibility and trust. Lastly, interactive features like polls or Q&A sessions through your blog can foster engagement. When patients feel heard or involved, they are more likely to build a connection with your practice and eventually book an appointment. If you are looking to grow your healthcare practice, connect with us for expert digital marketing solutions tailored just for you. Thank you.